the ThousandEyes platform offers different test types for endpoint experience monitoring, including synthetic tests and real user tests. Endpoint agents are installed on end-user devices or on supported collaboration devices to monitor workplace experience from the endpoint, providing insights into performance and potential issues. Three main types of tests are available for endpoint agents: scheduled tests and dynamic tests, which fall under synthetic tests, as well as real user tests. Synthetic tests are automated tests that simulate user activity to measure application and network performance. They use endpoint agents installed on end-user devices like PCs, laptops, or mobile devices. These agents generate test traffic to evaluate key metrics such as connectivity, latency, availability, and load times. Scheduled tests allow you to set up and automate network tests to run at specific intervals. Scheduled tests run automatically without any user interaction. There are two types of scheduled tests: HTTP server tests and network tests. HTTP server tests continuously monitor the availability and performance of web servers at scheduled intervals. By setting a specific schedule, you can track response times, downtime, and other performance metrics. HTTP server tests are ideal for keeping web infrastructure reliable and accessible to users, offering a proactive approach to performance management. HTTP server test views have two layers. The HTTP layer provides metrics such as availability, response time, and throughput. The network layer provides packet loss, latency, and jitter, along with path visualization. The network layer also includes system metrics and, when applicable, VPN metrics. Network tests provide ongoing checks of network performance. They regularly measure metrics such as latency, jitter, and packet loss, monitoring network health over time. When issues occur, network tests also provide a hop-by-hop path visualization, showing the full route from the agent to the target. This pinpoints the problem domain so you can take corrective action quickly. Network test views have just the network layer, where you get packet loss, latency, and jitter, along with path visualization, as well as system metrics and, when applicable, VPN metrics. Dynamic tests are designed to monitor the performance of dynamic applications, such as collaboration tools. They automatically detect the target IP, so there's no need for manual setup. Dynamic tests have certain advantages over scheduled tests. They only run when a collaboration session is active, which reduces system and network resource usage. If the application changes the connection to a new server because of user location or network conditions, dynamic tests automatically adapt by updating the target IP. The dynamic test view is split into two areas. The primary section shows the available metrics. The secondary section displays path visualization information. Dynamic tests provide network metrics like loss, jitter, and latency, as well as system details such as CPU and memory load. If the endpoint agent is connected to a VPN, additional VPN-related metrics are included. This data helps administrators understand both network performance between users and the application's data centers, and also gather useful device-level information. Real user tests use the browser extension to automatically collect real-world performance data from users. To set them up, define a list of monitored domains. These are the websites you want to track for end-user experience. Whenever a user accesses one of these monitored domains, the browser extension captures detailed session data in the background, giving you direct visibility into actual performance as experienced by users. Real user tests provide metrics focused on the browser experience. Below the network metrics, you'll also find web page-specific details such as browser errors and page load time. There are 3 tabs available. The Overview tab shows the overall user experience score for all pages visited in the selected time frame. The Pages tab lists every site users visited during that test round. The Session tab displays all user sessions. When you click on a session, you'll see details such as how the user is connected to the internet, computer hardware information, wireless details, path trace, and even a waterfall view of each page load. The network layer here also provides packet loss, latency, jitter, and path visualization. The dynamic tests and real user tests discussed here are not supported on mobile devices running the mobile endpoint agent. This overview covered the three test types available in Endpoint Experience: scheduled tests, dynamic tests, and real user tests. With this knowledge, you can better monitor and understand both user experience and network performance. Thanks for watching.